What's up, you guys? It's Rob here. Hope you all had a wonderful day. Today we're going to talk about ticker symbol NIO. It is an EV car company based out of China. In my personal opinion, they're doing a great job of competing with Tesla overseas. Here within the US, if you want a local comparison within China, Xpeng would be the most reasonable comp. You also have Li Auto and a few others. But if you guys can, do me a huge favor, drop a like down on this video, hit that subscribe button, make sure that you ring that bell for the YouTube algorithm. It really does help me out a lot. Also, warning, this is a very bullish video because I am bullish on NIO. So let's dive on in and take a look at the chart here for the day. So NIO pretty much spent the majority of the day consolidating between 49.68 and 50.38. We do have a double top rejection here at 50.38. We did pop above 50.38, which was nice to see. But when we zoom in here and take a look at the 1 day on the QQQ indices, which is the tech index within NASDAQ, we can see that we hit $360.47, and then we dove all the way down to 356.49. So you can really see we had the nice run, and then we kind of dove down and then consolidated for the rest of the day. So consolidation isn't bad, because when we zoom out here and take a look at the 5-day 5-minute chart of NIO recently hit a high of $55.25. So we do see a pullback from that, and we're sitting at $50, which is absolutely fine for the stock, because when we zoom out even more to the 1 month, 1 hour time frame, we really can see all the way back here on the 7th of June, pardon me, we were trading at $41.40. So over the past month, us moving this far is perfectly fine. And if we zoom out even more, we can zoom out crazily all the way down here to 5/19, so May 19th, we were trading at $32.59. So over really almost 2 months now, if we take a look at this, NIO has gone from $32 to $50. Keep in mind, NIO does have a price target around $65 to $80. And in my personal opinion, we are going to see that this year, because I am very bullish on NIO for the second half of this year. But if we zoom in here and take a look at the year-to-date day time frame, we can really see that $55.13 is a level of resistance for us. We have essentially a double top rejection here. So we have on the 1st of July, and then all the way back here on the 6th of January was our most recent candle outside of that. So when we break above that neckline of $55, I personally believe we will quickly run the $60, because there's not a lot of resistance that stands in the way, ultimately giving us that retest of the all-time high of $66.99 and going above that. The other thing that I really want to highlight here is we do have our 60-day moving average is below our 200-day moving average. So we do have a consolidation period going on right now. The huge thing that I would like to see is this 60-day moving average get above the 200-day moving average, which means we're more bullish in our past 60 days than what we have been in our past 200 days. Well, if you take a look here, in our past 200 days, we've really been trading below this neckline here, $50. We did see a low here of $30.71 on May 13th. So we've had a nice run here. So a consolidation period is definitely needed for this stock to set up for that retest of $55.13, and then that ultimate retest of the all-time high around $64.99. Now, if we zoom out even more here and bring the whole time frame in, you can see that NIO was a $6.50 stock all the way back in 2020. Why do I say this? Because this is a stock that I'm holding for the long term. I'm not holding this so we break the all-time high and that's it. No, I have stocks that I'm going to be holding for 5-10 years. And this is one of my stocks that I'm going to be holding for 5 or 10 years, because NIO is going to take over in China. Why do I believe that? Well, because of this. So this was released on April 29th. NIO Park, a smart electronic vehicle industry park in China, in a province within China, I cannot pronounce this, was officially kicked off. The 16,950 acre park features 3 main function areas: smart manufacturing, R&D, and a living space, and an eco park. The huge kicker here for the stock is going to be this line right here with an annual production capacity of 1 million vehicles and 100 gigawatt hour batteries. That is huge. Tesla currently right now is trying to do everything that they can to produce 1 million vehicles this year. So you're telling me that NIO, once they build this park out, is going to be comparing against Tesla? Absolutely phenomenal. Now, people ask me, why am I not so bullish about CCIV? CCIV has yet to produce a vehicle, so we don't see the results yet. Once we get a vehicle on the road and get reviews of it, that may change. I know that Peter Rawlinson, apparently the former chief engineer, is the CEO of Lucid. So who knows? We'll have to see what happens, but they have not yet produced a vehicle yet. So I'm not too terribly concerned about it. But the other thing that I want to talk about that makes me so bullish, and I apologize, this is bullish confirmation all over the place, but on June 1st, NIO released their delivery numbers. NIO delivered 6,711 vehicles in May, representing a solid 95.3% year-over-year growth. Absolutely beautiful. And the other thing that I want to talk about is there's a chip shortage going on. There is a semiconductor shortage going on. And the fact that NIO is doing this on a shortage is phenomenal. They had to even shut down their factory for several days in a row, and they are still within their numbers, which is amazing to see. The deliveries consisted of 1,412 ES8s, the company's 6-seater and 7-seater flagship premium smart electronic SUV, 3,017 ES6s, the company's 5-seater and high-performance premium smart electric SUV, and 2,282 EC6s, the company's 5-seater premium smart electronic coupe SUV. As of May 31st, 2021, cumulative deliveries of the ES8, ES6, and EC6 have reached 109,514 vehicles. That is a lot of vehicles. They are already producing 110,000 vehicles as of May 31st, and they're going to be producing 1 million with NIO Park when it comes out. That's going to be awesome. And this is the exact reason why I think NIO is going to be a rival to Tesla, not just within China, but within Europe also. And hopefully NIO eventually expands into the US also. Because let me tell you this, I took a look at some of their vehicles and they look phenomenal in my personal opinion. The huge thing that I want to leave you guys with is the company maintains and reiterates its delivery guidance of 21,000 to 22,000 vehicles in the second quarter of 2021. That is awesome to see. They even noted in here that in May, the company's vehicle delivery was adversely impacted for several days due to a volatility of semiconductor supply and certain logistic adjustments. Based on the current production, the vehicle plan delivery, the company will be able to accelerate the delivery in June and make up for the delays in May. Holy smokes, like, hello, bullish. Like, I'm gonna say this and I'll leave it with you. I'll leave you guys with this. I apologize, I can't get my tongue out of the way. This is not a stock just to hold for 1 year and watch it and break an all-time high. I think this could definitely be another Tesla stock on our hands, where it could be a $300-400 car company, because they are absolutely huge and they have the resources, they're expanding, and I still remain incredibly bullish on them. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.